All right, welcome back to another daily analyst video. Now we had the daily close. This daily to me is a week daily. So we had the bulls here, which I was saying it is time to long and long up to this area. That was the TP that I was taking onto longs. Now the reason I said that, you have your long wick down with a higher body up, small wick on top, which suggests that previous day will get swept, and it should take it to the actual wick, which was this zone. So we've got that. I did take some shorts off of the 75, so I'll show you what I'm talking about there. So I marked this area out just to see how far it can go, and it went closer down. I think on an hourly I saw a weak bullish candle, so I went into short, but I did go into short to get, it was down here, but I'll monitor that one. And sorry about that. Just want to take a look now at the strength of this candle. So if we go on the strength of this candle, we'll see that it closed at 50%. So now there's a 50% chance of it breaking a high and a 50% chance of breaking a low. The reason I am leaning more to a short is because there's buyers down here. So I see buyers getting in on this 50% zone. It's about here, and the buyers I'm expecting about there to start buying. I will take a buy off that with a stop loss here and take the previous high. So I'll be watching it here to see if we can get this. Realistically, my first TP would be that, and then I will have a runner. But if I see some sort of change in the candles, I'm just going to cut that. But from what I'm seeing, that's the game plan. The game plan for today is take out previous low, which I'll be shorting from the actual wick. So this whole area here is a short zone that I'll be looking at. But I've broken it down a little bit cleaner. So I actually want to get in. I want to get in right here. That's the zone that I would really like to get in to take that short. And we'll be looking at a short like this. I will take some TP here because it's the daily wick. Because if the bulls step in, they will be looking to get off of previous day wick to that to take out the previous day high. So that's what the bulls will be waiting for on this day. But it just depends how strong they are. I'm happy even with this if I have to close the full position here. It just gives me a bit more confidence of what's going to happen. We could, I'd rather see this go up into here first so I can get my short to then take it here. Whereas I might be a little bit hesitant to jump in if this goes down here, because depending on the strength, the bulls might even want to push this to take out previous day. Should look something like that. You've got a nice gap here, which some buyers will like to come in as well. That's why I'm feeling more inclined that we're actually going to break previous day low before we break previous day high. So we could sweep down here to then come back up and sweep here to come into that support resistance zone. We did just tap into the break of structure. So if we take a look at that break of structure where they would like to take this, I'll leave that there for now. So here's your break of structure. You've got from the high to that low, 50%. So they've taken it all the way to that 100% TP. That's where the buyers started ramping up. Now these buyers would like to try get it to come something like that to get into this 50 zone to then short to make a new low. Apart from that, I'm definitely short for the day. I just want to try get into these good positions. I will look for both long and short, but my first target is the short just off of that daily candle. Apart from that, happy trading. Good day.